The bees give us 5 other interesting products besides honey. All of them can be used in food and for medical purposes. Nutritional and medicinal value of honey pollen and royal jelly was presented in part 1, and here we will continue with propolis, bee venom, and wax. Propolis is used by bees to fill the cracks and prevent infections in the hives. It is made from a tree resin, but modified by bees. Propolis has been used for medicinal purposes from at least 300 BC. It has antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant activity. Propolis can be used both externally, for the treatment of small wounds, as well as for internal treatments for various ulcers in the oral cavity and for throat inflammation. Bee venom is formed in special glands at the end of the bee abdomen. Stinger of worker bees is barbed, so that after stinging a human it remains in the skin and a bee dies. Beekeepers produce bee poison by setting an electrically irritating plate in front of the hive entrance. The bees excrete the poison, without being damaged. Bee poison can be used by medical doctors in the treatment of patients with severe allergy to bees poison. In some cases it is also used in the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis and multiple sclerosis. It can be safely used only if prescribed by medical doctor. Wax is a construction material from which honeybees form honeycombs. It is made by bees aged 12 to 18 days in the form of scales in the wax glands on their abdomen. After honey is harvested from the comb, the wax can be collected for use in products like candles. The wax can also be used for cosmetics and food, but only if it was produced biologically without the use of any veterinary medicines which accumulate in the wax. Bee wax is an excellent substitute for fat to prevent cookies from sticking to the pan.
Please subscribe to the Chamomile Advice channel on YouTube.